It's a wonderful day. It's glorious sunshine here, and I think God is shining on the United Kingdom.
Now, we talked earlier in the week about the possible fallout for currencies, for the pound, for the euro. Has the market reacted sufficiently in your eyes this morning?
Yeah, I was forecasting a 132 on the pound sterling. I think we might probe that again sometime over the next couple of days, but I think that's around the bottom. And then we'll move back up to the rate that we're at the moment, which is 138 to 140, which is basically where it was when Boris Johnson came in on the side of the Leave campaign. So I don't really see a lot more volatility in the markets. And it's interesting that the European markets are down more than the UK market, because frankly speaking, the UK companies are 75% export-oriented or getting earnings from overseas. 75% of their earnings are from overseas, and of course they benefit when the pound falls. So London is cheap, Frankfurt may not be so cheap, and I think we're probably in the right balance at the moment.
Jim, you say it's a glorious day. It doesn't feel like a glorious day to many of those who are in the markets this morning. There's a lot of fear out there on global Wall Street.
Yeah, well, it depends which side you're on. Yeah. Well, I think that this is going to be a short-term shock. Now, if I can put that in the context of politics, Article 50, as you rightly point out, has not yet been invoked. And that was the big danger today, that David Cameron came out and he pursued a scorched earth policy and said, I'm invoking Article 50 straight away. In my opinion, Article 50 won't be invoked necessarily. I think that Britain may negotiate an associate membership of the European Union over the next 6 months to a year without having to invoke Article 50, in which case there will be a second referendum. And if the terms are right, I would certainly back that, because we just didn't get any good terms vis-a-vis David Cameron's negotiations. We might get good terms now, because Europe has a lot more to lose by the loss of the UK than probably the UK has in terms of leaving the European Union.
Hey CNBC fans, thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Here you're going to find videos packed with all of the information that you need to be smarter about your finances. You can subscribe by clicking right here and click on all the videos around me or the eye right here to watch the latest from CNBC. Thanks for watching.